5 food items that can boost your immunity and protect you from coronavirus. If you have a healthy immune system, your body can safeguard you from any disease, even the novel coronavirus or COVID-19. Here is a list of 5 immunity-boosting foods. Number 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of probiotics, which are good bacteria that can help promote a healthy gut and immune system. Experts recommend choosing only fresh and plain yogurt, rather than too flavored. Number 2. Turmeric. The golden spice turmeric is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the compound present in turmeric, is a very potent agent and aids in healing of wounds and infections. It's advisable to boil it in the milk for best result. Number 3. Natural antivirus foods. Tulsi leaves, star anise, garlic, and ginger are some of the natural antivirus food items which gives protection. For boosting immunity and flushing out toxins, take Tulsi drink, which can simply be made by boiling 3 to 4 leaves in water. Number 4. Vitamins. Among all kinds of vitamins, vitamin C and D can play a major role in strengthening your immunity. You should have more citrus fruits and vegetables like amla, lemon, orange and others. Also, egg yolks and mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D. Number 5. Zinc. It is another nutrient that helps your immune system and metabolism function. You can either take zinc supplements or inculcate in their diet through cashews, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, among others. Taking these foods daily will definitely improve your immunity to fight any kind of viruses. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it. Also, follow Moby Snips on Facebook and Instagram.